Alright guys, we did a video earlier in the year when we put a FLOWMASTER 40 series on this beast. 2005 GMC Sierra 1500. He's got a lot done to it since then. And he said, I want more noise. So guess what we did? He asked, we give. So what we got done for him, got high flow cats there and there. Earlier in the year we did those for him. Then we did true duals all the way back into a FLOWMASTER Super 10, dual in, dual out, right there. Part number 842-5154. There'll be a link in the description. Then we reused the tailpipes there and there. And he brought a set of 4-inch tips he bought himself. That we'll try to get you guys a link in the description for. There and there. As you guys can see, that's the FLOWMASTER we had on it that we cut off, the 46. There's where it widened into a single. So you guys can only imagine it's gonna sound so much better than before because it's really breathing now. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like, and like always guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Better, that's exactly what you wanted. Oh yeah, hush. Again. Right up, dude, 112. That's great. That sounds good. It's got a nice pop when you really rev it, you know? And that's, I think he likes it. But I always like to surprise people, you know? Tell them this much and then lower. That sounds so good. FLOWMASTER 10, never disappoints. That sounds so good. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. The next video we'll show you guys with short tube headers on it. GMC Sierra. FLOWMASTER Super 10. True duals with high flow cats and 4-inch tips. Enjoy, guys.